Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the Matlab online interface and how it is similar and different from what you would do for the Matlab client downloaded interface to get things set up and ready to go. So the Matlab online interface is fairly similar to that of the client interface, just things are arranged a little differently. So the live script editor, which was in the middle, is still kind of in the middle, but it takes up to the right side of the screen as well. The command window sits at the bottom still, and now both the directory and the workspace are on the left side of the screen, with the directory part on top and the workspace part on the bottom. And everything here works the same as it does for normal Matlab, right? I can make a variable, x equals 2, run it, it runs, it shows up in the workspace, that's great, and we're good to go. Type in the live script, everything is fine there. But now, instead of being able to put files directly into a folder, they have to be uploaded to the server. And that you do via the upload button here in the menu of the screen. So instead of extracting the files and then just copying them into the right directory, you will copy them to it directly on your computer that you know where it is, and then you can upload them to the current folder from Matlab here, which I will do right now. Which you click upload, it completes the upload. The files are all in this directory. I can do the exact same thing I did before, where I'll say we'll call it the phaseline function again. And you notice for the online interface, it actually prompts you what it's supposed to be here, which is really nice. We can run this, and the output comes just like expected. It's now an embedded figure in the browser instead of being a pop-up window, but it's all still the same. The figure shows up. You can do whatever you want with the figure at this point, just like you would with the Matlab client interface, but it's now all here in your browser. Again, if you change directory, it won't work. You come back to the same directory and it works again. All that stuff is the same as it was for the client interface, just now all through the browser instead. In general, I would recommend having the downloaded client on your computer instead of running through the online browser. There have been some issues with, just things don't work quite the same for the pre-written code in the online browser they would in the client. And also the client's more reliable. If your internet goes out, you don't lose whatever you had in the client, where if the internet goes out, you will lose whatever's not saved in the online interface. So the client is recommended, but if the computer's not handling or struggling and you want to do the online interface, this works as well and will allow you to run the code, complete things, and then save, download whatever you need once you're done. Because once you're done, you can still export and save documents the same way you would through the client and then have them to turn in when you need to. So there is the Matlab online interface. It has most of the same features and will work pretty well to do everything that you need. It just might not be as reliable depending on your internet connection to be able to complete, save, and successfully organize everything for these labs, but it will work if needed.